Welcome to my YouTube channel AFK Educationist. Today in this lecture you will learn philosophies of education in easy wording. Introduction. Education is a purposeful process through which knowledge, skills, values, attitudes, and habits are transmitted from one generation to another. Every educational system is based on a philosophy that guides its objectives, curriculum, teaching methods, and evaluation procedures. Educational philosophy helps educators answer important questions such as, what is the purpose of education? What should be taught? How should students learn? What is the role of the teacher? Who should control the learning process? Various philosophers have proposed different educational philosophies based on their views about reality, knowledge, values, and human nature. 1. Idealism. Introduction. Idealism is one of the oldest and most influential philosophies of education. It believes that ideas, mind, spirit, and values are more important than material objects. According to idealists, ultimate reality exists in the world of ideas rather than the physical world. Founder/philosopher. The chief founder of idealism is Plato. Other important idealist philosophers include Socrates, Plato, Immanuel Kant, Johann Fichte, George Hegel. Main concepts. Reality is spiritual and mental. Truth is eternal and unchanging. Ideas are more important than material objects. Education develops moral and spiritual values. Knowledge is discovered through reasoning and reflection. Character building is more important than vocational training. Aims of education. To develop moral character. To achieve self-realization. To cultivate spiritual values, to discover truth, beauty, and goodness, to develop intellectual abilities, to create responsible citizens. Role of teacher. The teacher occupies a central position. The teacher acts as a guide, mentor, and role model. The teacher possesses knowledge and wisdom. The teacher helps students achieve moral and intellectual development. The teacher inspires learners toward higher ideals. Role of student. Students are active seekers of truth. Students should respect teachers and learning. Students should cultivate moral and spiritual values. Curriculum. Idealists prefer subjects that develop the mind and character. The curriculum includes philosophy, literature, history, religion, ethics, arts, languages, mathematics, teaching methods, question and answer method, discussion method, lecture method, Socratic method, reflection and contemplation, moral instruction, advantages, promotes moral and ethical values, develops character and personality, encourages intellectual growth, emphasizes self-discipline, focuses on permanent values. Disadvantages. Less attention to practical skills. May neglect scientific and technological education. Can be too theoretical. May not address modern societal needs effectively. Idealism emphasizes the development of mind, character, and spiritual values. It seeks to prepare individuals for a meaningful and virtuous life by focusing on eternal truths and moral excellence.